Is it illegal to cross a yellow light? Now share this video to every driver you know because the answer is shocking. What does the law say? I am going to make this very simple, but before we read the law, let's get to the board. Now there are two situations you are going to find yourself in when you're on the road. First, when the cars on the road are stopped. Now when the cars are stopped, the traffic light will be on red. Second situation is when the cars are moving. Now when the cars are moving, the traffic light is going to be on green. Now there is one thing that is true about these two situations, that the red would move to yellow and the green would also move to yellow, which is the amber light. Now this is where the law comes in, and it's very important you listen. Now if you're in situation 1 where the cars are stopped, definitely it's going to be on red. Now the law says that if it moves to yellow, do not move until you see it go to green. So in situation 1, till it goes to green, do not move. That means if the cars are stopped and you go on a yellow, it is an offense. However, in situation 2, where we mostly find ourselves driving and the light gets to yellow before red, this is what the law says. It's going to be on green because the cars are already moving. Now, for it to get to red, for the cars to stop, it would go to the yellow, which is the amber light. Now, this is what the law says. The law says that you can ignore the yellow sign or the amber light and still go if you are on a speed that makes it dangerous for you to stop. Now, what this means is that, now let me break it down. If you're on a moving vehicle and you're on a speed that you are almost at the traffic light, the law gives you the chance to ignore because stopping would be dangerous. Why dangerous? Because the cars at your back can hit into you. That is, it can cause crash. 2, because of the speed, you may not be able to stop before the light and have to stop after the light, which may be in the middle, which would cause the cars that are coming from other sections of the road to crash into you or may not have the chance to move. And lastly, if stopping may cause you to lose control of your vehicle. So if the yellow comes after a red, it is a must to not move. However, if the yellow comes after a green, then you are allowed to move if the stopping would be dangerous to yourself and injurious to other road users. Now let's read the law. Feel free to screenshot this. Regulations 13 of LI 953/1974. No driver shall proceed past the traffic light sign when the amber light is showing, unless that light, which is the amber light, first appears after the green has shown, and the speed of the car and its distance such that it cannot safely be stopped before passing the signs, which is the traffic light, the amber light, the yellow light. So feel free to screenshot the law. It would save you. Remember, do not intentionally cross the yellow light. However, if you find yourself in the situations I've explained, you are allowed. The law permits you. Follow me for more legal teachings. I'm Yuda Brown, and feel free to ask me any question. Till we meet again, stay safe.